Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What do you say? You were going 40 and a 50, I can pass you. Is that okay with you? Cool, thank you. 45.
Pull over. Oh my god, what the f are you doing? Why did you turn like that? Oh my god.
What the hell was that? Benefits transfer or EBT for November. The U.S. Department of EBT payments 42 million Americans until further notice. Why? 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 Move! I really want to honk. You're an idiot!
Way, this is just your everyday who you are. What are you on? Fought the cops. Oh, mom. Oh. Goes into crying. And I'm sitting there and I start to feel bad.
Oh, no way.
Wow.
What? Oh my gosh.
Video protected.
No way.
Bro, what you got it? What a guy. Yeah.
Video protected.
Keep right. You got this. I believe in you.
That we didn't own a home yet.
Keep right. I'm feeling pretty good about where we're at today, driving wise.
Am I overreacting thinking that this person is wildly inappropriate? I don't know if you're seeing a psychiatrist. You might be seeing a demon ghost.
I missed the paranormal ones.
Why? Please give me a ghost.
Where the
Also,
fuck
it
are the
happened
gnomes?
again. It really happened again, guys. Someone was talking about one spooky thing, and then they used something even spookier to describe the behavior, and then moved on. Because that is...
I'm just gonna sound like my mom.
Would be portable mortgages where you could take your mortgage rate with you to another house. That would hopefully open up inventory because a lot of Americans right now have lower mortgage rates and want to move, but aren't going to because they don't want
careful. I just don't want that to make a mess. What I'll do is oh, that's a good one.
Turn right on South Parkway.
Video locked.
Apex Autist goes, I don't know, man, doesn't look like he got cocked to me. So this is Ice Dagger saying this to Mersh once she got with Ralph.
Dagger.
Not this one, I should have did that one more time, right? Oh. Jeez, they're just gonna come on over anyway. Just gonna walk onto that's gonna be your so you can start down. Oh, car, you gotta go somewhere.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.